today with another gluten-free recipe for you, and today we're going Thai style. We just got back from Thailand. Shout out to all the fam there and all the fam that went with us. It was so much fun and I miss it so much that I'm gonna make some Thai soup for you today. It should be very easy. It's my first time making this, but it's called Kha Gai. And so tom is to boil. Kha is actually this root. It looks like giant ginger, but it's called galangal. You can find it in your local international store, Asian store. It has a little bit different taste compared to ginger. There's like it smells almost like pine trees and lemon. It's gonna flavor our soup very nicely. Then we got some lemongrass. You're gonna wanna use some mushrooms. You can use oyster mushrooms. These are white button mushrooms, it's just what I had. We have green onions. You're gonna get some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, so it'll be nice and tender. Fish sauce, which will give it a nice salty flavor. And a little bit of palm sugar. It has like a nice buttery, sugary taste to it. 1.5 cups of coconut milk to make it nice and creamy. Some lime juice. And we have some kaffir limes. You're not gonna wanna make this super like spicy, but just to give it a kick, you're gonna wanna use some Thai chili peppers. So we have about 3 to 4 of those. So right now I have chicken broth boiling on the stove, and we're gonna throw our chicken in there and get started. All right, let's do this. Yo, what up? Now we're ready to try the soup. We've already put all of our herbs, our aromatics inside the saucepan. Now when you eat the soup, it's gonna smell amazing, but you don't wanna eat the galangal slices or the lemongrass stems or the leaves. Give me a little bit of rice on the side. And you can garnish it with some cilantro if you have some, or some green onions. I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of green onions on mine. And I'm gonna show you, also you can add a little bit of lime juice and a little bit more fish sauce. I think you're gonna like this soup. It's creamy, it's warm, it's like a nice hug in a bowl actually. So please like and subscribe and put down in the comments other recipes you want to see me make. Thanks for watching.